Welcome back. My name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a very cool prefab home company about to enter the US market. The prefab home industry is hotter than a Dutch oven right now, and money is pouring in as people realize, hey, this might actually solve a few problems. There is currently a lot of demand for prefabs as people look for homes that are built faster and more affordably, but it hasn't exactly been easy to get your hands on one. When a new company announces that they're throwing their hat in the ring and their homes are built 50% faster and up to 30% less expensive, that's enough to get my attention. This is a big market that appears to still be untapped, and a company just raised a Series A round of investment from the Bill Gates founded Breakthrough Energy Ventures to fund some serious growth in the United States. When I say they're entering the US market, they're doing it in a big way with 15 factories planned to be built in the next 7 years. The company I'm talking about is called Vantem Global, and their lineup of affordable energy efficient homes are about to be in some of the biggest US markets. What I'm going to do is tell you about the company, look at what they do, and show you a few of their floor plans. If everything goes according to plan, Vantem Global will be a household name across the United States in the upcoming years. A rep from Breakthrough Energy Ventures was quoted in Business Wire saying, "Vantem's approach allows the production of high efficiency and net zero homes at extremely competitive costs and low embodied carbon. With their proven track record in South America and the Caribbean, we're confident that the Vantem team can scale their modular approach to ensure homes everywhere can be energy efficient." Okay, sounds promising. Vantem simplifies construction, reducing costs and delivery times, delivering energy-efficient homes on a large scale globally. Over the last 15 years, they have successfully built millions of square feet, including high-end homes, schools, 5-star hotels, and other buildings. Over 3 million square feet installed to be exact, and because this channel matters in math, that works out to 6,000 units if they only built 500 square foot structures. They build with large structural panels, replacing dozens of pieces, layers, and steps with one simple part. They say manufacturing is easy and fast, and that their entire structure is made with their panels. This company has a lot going on, and I think people are going to be excited about it. I've been doing this long enough to know that there are a few things that people really care about because I see it in the comments nearly every single video. People want to know how these things will hold up to extreme weather, and based on a few examples given, it looks as though they'll pass the test. Vantem Global has been building in South America and the Caribbean for the last 15 years, and a few of their builds have been through some stuff. Lucky for us, they took before and after pictures. This is a home built by Vantem located in Freeport, Bahamas before Category 5 Hurricane Dorian hit the island. Here's the exact same home after the hurricane and looks pretty much the same, except the plants in the front of the home are bigger and they've blown over. That and the trees behind the home seem to have been thinned out significantly by the storm. They say their panels are strong, dissipating wind loads effectively throughout the structure, making them ideal for high wind areas. It checks out. Then they show 2 homes in Chile built completely with their panels that withstood 8.2 magnitude earthquakes, and even though we don't get to see a before pic, it looks pretty good to me. No signs of any visible damage. Reason given was that they don't rely on posts and beams to carry loads which bend and buckle in earthquakes. It's on the internet, so it must be true. They say the strength and resiliency of Vantem's system is well suited for a range of regions and climates, including extreme hot and cold, wet tropical, dry desert, high hurricane, and seismic zones. Long story short, these things can take a punch. Vantem Global will use its new funding for 15 new factories across the United States in the next 7 years. Plans are already in the works for Arizona, California, Texas, and the Dakotas for 2023, so things are happening fast. Each factory will have the capacity to build over 1 million square feet of housing per year. Kind of a big deal. Let's check out their models. Like I mentioned, Vantem has built homes all over South America and into the Caribbean in a variety of shapes and sizes, but none cooler than what they've got going on at Vantem Uruguay. It'll be interesting to see what size, style, and price they build for the US market, but if I had my say, they would look something like these. The first home in their lineup is a 376 square foot, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom called the Loft House. The description says in 376 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchen with an island and a living room are included. Inside the home, cabinets can be added in the bedroom and living room, while outside you can add decks, pergolas, and shutter modules. The Loft House model combines a high range of features in a compact space, produced 95% in the factory, assembled on site, in a very short time. 376 square feet is almost the exact same size as the boxabl casita. The main difference is the shape. The casita is a perfect square while the loft house is a rectangle. On top of that, the loft house has a fully enclosed bedroom instead of being a studio. Like many floor plans in this size range, the loft house has an entrance on the end of the home that takes you directly into the living room. The living room is open to the kitchen that has a bar and everything you would find in any kitchen, including a fridge, stove, sink, and cabinet space for storage. To the right of the kitchen is a hall to the bathroom. If I'm seeing this right, it looks as though the bathroom has a toilet, walk-in shower, sink, and possibly a bidet, something I think North America needs to get on board with, but more on that on my bidet review channel. Finally, at the end of the unit is a fully closed-in bedroom, and I think it's a cool looking unit inside and out that I hope they will bring to the US market. The second model I like from Vantem is the farmhouse. The farmhouse is just under 400 square feet, again with one bedroom and one bathroom, but brings a completely different layout. The entire home is built out of 40 panels for the modular itself and 4 panels for the pergola, again 95% finished inside the factory with only 5% left to be completed on site. I think for a comparable size, this layout works a bit better than the loft house. Instead of entering on the end of the home, you come in the side, still into the living space, and the kitchen is tucked up on the left wall instead of to the right. I think this opens up the space, which isn't huge to begin with, and makes room for a dining table, which I know is a must-have for a lot of people. The downside is no eating bar, so if you're choosing between one plan or the other, something to take into consideration. Are you a table person or are you a bar person? Choice is yours. Beyond that, again, there's a bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink, and the bedroom at the end of the home. The farmhouse has an ample amount of windows, but I do like the look of the windows on the end of the house in the loft, so I'm flip-flopping between these two models. On second thought, between these two models, I think my vote is going back to the loft. The final Vantem home I want to show you today is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom model called the Landa. They do have bigger models available, but for anyone looking for a cool 2-bedroom plan that's under 500 square feet, this is worth a look. The Landa is a 484 square foot home with a very similar layout as the loft, but with an additional bedroom on the end of the home where they had the wall of windows. That means the entrance is moved to the side wall, and instead of being built with 56 panels, it's built with 61 to get that extra room, but still 95% finished in their factory and only 5% on site. Another thing I like about the Landa is it has sliding glass doors on both sides of the living room, allowing for outdoor space on both sides of the home. If this home is located on a spacious lot, this is huge because it allows people to have spaces to sit on either side of the home depending on weather and location of the sun. On my home, we have one deck on the front and it gets absolutely peppered by the sun in the afternoon, so we usually end up going inside or sitting on the grass between 5 and 7 because it's simply too hot. Sitting on grass instead of a deck is not a big hardship, but this could solve that problem. I like all 3 of these homes and hope they'll be available in the US, but unfortunately no prices are given, so for now we have to hurry up and wait. Vantem Global is expanding into the United States with funding from Breakthrough Energy Ventures and others. I really like the look of these homes, and I think what they're saying about their ability to withstand extreme weather will appeal to a lot of people. I'm going to follow along with their expansion into the US market, and as soon as I get some pricing, a timeline, or any other relevant information, I will make an update right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.